vlog. I'm a little bit shaken because today I'm going to enter to area, that B area. Let me explain to you something. In Israel we have 3 different areas, A, B, C. Let me show you, it's here. I write it for you, I want to explain to you. So A, B and C. A area, it's only Palestine area. Which means that me as a Jewish Israeli, I cannot enter to place that called A. I cannot. If I will enter, I will finish my life, okay? It's like that. A area, Palestinian people that live in A area also allowed to enter Israel, but we, Israeli, cannot enter there. B area, this is the area that I'm going now. B area, it's a mixed area. It's a Palestinian and Israeli Jewish together. C area, it's only Israeli, which Israeli control. Also Palestine enter to here, but here it's a mix.